How to create a simple flag wrapping animation in After Effects. Creating a flag wrapping animation in After Effects is really simple and it adds a nice touch to any country flag. But how do you make it? Let's dive right into the video. First, we need to add a country flag PNG. But make sure the transparent areas are similar to what I'm using, as it might look strange for the animation if not. If needed, you can adjust the transparency in Photoshop. Next, we will add an effect to the flag. Go to the effects presets panel and search for the wave warp plugin. Apply this effect to the flag layer. Now let's set up the wave warp effect. Adjust the following settings. Set the wave height to 15. Set the wave width to 125. For pinning, choose left edge, as I want the animation to move from left to right. If you prefer it to go in another direction, feel free to select a different option. We now have a cool animation, but we can improve it by duplicating the effect. Select the effect and press Ctrl+D. After duplicating, you can adjust the settings. The only change I recommend is tweaking the wave width to achieve a nice result. And here we go. Now you know how to create a simple flag wrapping animation in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.